Hello student. Today in this video we will study about the traders. Mainly here in this topic today you will study about what are the relation of the traders with the towns and the craftsmen. Okay, the traders were of many kinds during the medieval period. These traders who were found during the medieval period, they were from big to small. They were divided into different categories. Some were very rich and some of them were like the hawkers. Okay, and these used to do trade inside the country and outside of the country. Means they used to do the international trade also during this time. Okay, and they promote all the communities or all the classes join doing the trade during this period. Means trading profession was not only done by the only Vaishya but the other classes of our society also joined to do the trade. The important communities of included in this occupation or the profession were in South India. They were the Chettiars of Tamil Nadu, Marwari Oswal of Rajasthan, and Khatris from Punjab. Boras mostly they were the Muslim Gujaratis, and the Hindus Baniyas. Okay, Marwari were of both religion. Marwari were from Hindu also and from Jainism also, and they traded on both inside the country and with the foreign countries also, and they used to do their trade by the ports of Red Sea, Persian Gulf, East Africa, Southeast Asia, and China, and they used to do the export of different types of grains, spices, textile, because that time India was very famous for its textile and spices in the world. And they used to do their exchange with the golds and ivory in Africa, and spices, tin, Chinese blue pottery, and silver from the Southeast Asia and China. And they also started banking and giving money. They started also money lending to the people, because these traders become very rich, so they started banking also. They used to give loan on high interest to the people, and the big there were a big influential of the merchants, and there were some big merchants in the cities who were called the Nagar Shreshtis. The higher position of the merchants in the city was Nagar Shreshtis. The other community of the traders were the community from the Banjaras group, and they were the nomad. They were like the Baddus, and they used to do trade by moving from one place to another place. ओके, जनरली ये जो लोग थे, ट्रेडर्स थे बंजारा कम्युनिटी के, दे नेवर यूज टू स्टे इन अ वन प्लेस. Okay, the product which they used to make, and some product they used to buy from one place, and they used to sold it some other places. And they were the nomads, mainly they were the nomads trader, Miss Banjara, and they generally traded in the food stuff like the rice, flour, buttermilk, vegetable, sugar, etc. And both these products were brought from the peasants. ये क्या करते थे, किसानों से जो भी किसान ग्रो करते थे उसको उनसे खरीद लेते थे और ले जाकर फिर दूसरे शहरों में बेच दिया करते थे. और ये बंजारा जो थी कारवास में चलते थे. दे यूज टू मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस इन कारवा. ओके, एंड दे हैव ऑल्सो फॉर्म देयर गिल्ड्स. ओके, गिल्ड इज अ टाइप ऑफ एसोसिएशन, ओके, विच प्रोटेक्ट्स देयर इंटरेस्ट. मीन्स जो ट्रेडर्स के इंटरेस्ट को क्या करते थे, प्रोटेक्ट करते थे. दैट टाइप ऑफ गिल्ड वर फाउंड बाय दिस ट्रेडर ऑफ दैट time. And because of that, when they have to pass through the many kingdoms and forest, these कारवा यूज टू प्रोटेक्ट दैम. कारवा में जो मेंबर्स होते थे उनको प्रोटेक्ट करने की कोशिश करते थे. The famous guilds of South India were the Manigraman and Navadeshi. These guilds traded both within the inside the country and with Southeast China. They used to do their trade with Southeast China, Southeast Asia, and China. The famous guilds of the South India were the mainly the two guilds, that is Manigraman and Navadeshi. The foreign traders also came India, and they started settling near the coastal areas like the traders of Arabian countries, Persia, Chinese, Jewish, and Syria. And after that we see that after this, the traders from Arab, Persia, Chinese, Jewish, and Syrian Christian traders often came India, and they started settling near the ports. And they used to do the trade of spices, pepper, cinnamon, nutmeg, dried ginger, etc. And the cotton, which was the high demand in European market, this attracted to the European companies towards India, and that is why they started capturing many part of our country. Main thing about this chapter is that the traders and the artisans were among the most significant classes living in the towns, and traders worked for the both the individual and in group. Okay, they used to do their trades by individual or in the group, and they had a very highly organized and spread all over the subcontinent. And this was about the traders and craftsmen, which you have studied in here. The craftsmen also played a very important role in economy of India, because the trader used to take the or buy all the product which were made by the craftsmen. Okay, craftsmen like including the goldsmith, the bronzesmith, blacksmith, masons, carpenter, weavers, who used to build the different kinds of product. These were bought by the traders, and these traders used to take this product in very cheap price from the craftsmen, and they used to sell it in the market in very high price. The Bidri community of Andhra Pradesh is very famous for their art, that is the art of Enley. Enley is a type of work on which the this kind of artisan used to make the design on a any type of metal pot. ये किसी तरह का भी जो मेटल पॉट होता था, उस पर जो हमारे आर्टिशंस थे वो चांदी के, तांबे के या सोने के तार से डिज़ाइन बनाया करते थे. Okay, one example of that type of metal is given in your book. And this carpenter were used to get a lot of money from their patron. Okay, बहुत से राजाओं का इनको संरक्षण मिला था, जिनसे इनको बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट दिया जाता था. These artisans used to construct the temples, tanks, palaces, reservoirs, etc. And the Salyar and the Kaikolars were the community. It were the community of weavers who were very rich. Okay, Salyars and the Kaikolars of South India, they were very rich community of construction, and they often made the donation to the temple. Okay, they used to give big amount of journey or donation to the temples. ये टेम्पल्स को बहुत बड़ा अनुदान या हम कह सकते हैं बहुत बड़ा दान के रूप में पैसा दिया करते थे जो सेलियार वीवर्स थे. दे वर वेरी रिच. व्हेन वी टुडे वी सी द आवर वीवर्स, they are very poor, they are living in very poor condition, but the Selyar were the weavers, community of the weavers, but they were very rich. They used to donate a big amount or grant a big amount to the temples. During this period, cotton cleaning. During this time, the weaver used to do ginning of the cotton. Then they used to clean it. Then they spin the cloth, and after that they used to do dye of that cloth. Dye means उन कपड़ों को वो क्या करते थे, कलर करते थे. After that they used to make the design, and in this way they, after that they used to sell it in the market independently. इस तरह से जो उस समय के व्यूवर्स थे इंडिपेंडेंटली वर्क करते थे, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे वर नॉट एक्सप्लॉयटेड बाय द एनी टाइप ऑफ मिडल मैन. You will study about the weavers in your civics. You will see that what was the condition of weavers who are doing their job in India in present time. What are their actual condition in our country? Now in next video we will do our next chapter of geography. Thank you.